Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Simone. Welcome to this video where I will be showing you how to achieve a sleek low bun on short relaxed hair. This is one of my favorite hairstyles like ever. A bun is always a good idea. Let's get started. For this style, you'll need a comb. I'll be using a wide tooth comb. You'll need a hard bristled brush, conditioner, gel or edge control or pomade. You'll need a few hair ties, duck clips, and a little bit of extra hair to help you create that bun. I'll be using extra braiding hair that I have. Start with a small portion of hair in the back. Not too big of a section because you'll be adding hair as you move up, but use your clips to keep the section in the back separated and apply a little bit of conditioner. You'll be adding gel and or edge control next, so don't apply too much conditioner, but I do find that my hair stays a lot more moisturized while it's in the bun if I add a little something before putting it into the bun. I am using the incredibly rich oil moisturizing hair lotion by ORS. I rub that into my hair before applying edge control. I'm using the Slick and Slay Ultra Extreme Hold Braids, Locks, and Edge Gel by a brand called Esha that I got from the beauty supply store. If you prefer gel, you can use that too, but gel will definitely not do what I need it to do if I apply it on its own. So here we are using edge control, which works every time. I applied a good amount of that before smoothing it all down with my hard bristled brush and putting it into a tiny ponytail. I separate another section of hair and I repeat the process, except this time I'm going to use both edge control and Murray's Superior Hair Dressing Pomade in order to keep my hair as sleek as I want it to be. I'm pretty generous with both of these products, and as you repeat the process and you move toward the front of your hair, you're going to want to figure out if you want to have a part in your hair, and if you do want a part, where do you want the part to be? Because it's best to just go ahead and solidify that first and then gel down everything else around it. This time around, I wanted my part on the left side at an angle, so I repeated the process section by section around my part. After each section has been slicked down, either remove the hair tie that was holding the rest of the hair in place and redo it after adding the new section of hair to it, or you can keep the hair tie in and then add the new section of hair to it using another hair tie. I really hope that makes sense. Continue the process until all of your hair is sleeked down and in a ponytail or a tiny bun at the back of your head. The last step is to take some extra hair that you might have laying around the house, or you can find some inexpensive hair at the beauty supply store, and you're going to want to twist it around the base of that bun or that ponytail back there. I like to twist one side around the bun a few times before securing it down with a hair tie, and then continue twisting and wrapping the hair around the base. Make sure to add more hair ties and bobby pins as needed to keep everything in place. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. This is how you do a sleek bun on short relaxed hair. It takes a little bit of extra work, but it's so worth it. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below. What's your favorite protective style? Because for me, the bun is definitely it. Make sure to subscribe before you go so that we're connected here on YouTube, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.